Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Notion calendar colorful. We'll dive straight into practical methods for adding visual flair to your schedule. You'll learn to categorize events by color, making your calendar much easier to read at a glance. This guide will help you transform a plain calendar into a vibrant, organized hub for all your tasks and deadlines, improving your overall productivity and clarity. Let's get started. The simplest way to add color is by using a select property. First, open your Notion database and add a new property, choosing Select as its type. Then, for each option you create within this property, Notion allows you to pick a unique color. When you assign one of these options to a calendar entry, that entry will automatically display with its corresponding color. This is a fantastic, easy-to-implement method for basic categorization. For more dynamic and automated coloring, Notion formulas are your best friend. You can write a formula that checks the value of another property, like a status or date property, and then outputs a specific color. For example, if a task is overdue, the formula could automatically make it red. This allows for sophisticated, rule-based coloring that updates automatically, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your calendar entries. To truly maximize the benefit of a colorful calendar, consider these tips. Aim for consistency. Use the same color for similar categories across all your Notion databases. Limit your palette to about 5 to 7 distinct colors to avoid visual clutter. Assign brighter, more noticeable colors to high-priority items so they stand out immediately. Finally, don't be afraid to refine your system as your needs evolve, ensuring it always serves your workflow best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.